The LDV approach test evaluates the ability of the CxDC to prevent collisions when an LDV approaches an HME. During this test, interventions from the CxD system will be applied to all test vehicles. Test Vehicle 1 is a heavy mining equipment machine. Test Vehicle 3 is a light-duty vehicle. This test comprises two scenarios. Scenario 1. LDV approach with HME in operator stop. Test Vehicle 1 is in operator stop. Test Vehicle 3 is in normal operation. Test Vehicle 3 approaches. Test Vehicle 1 at less than 10 km per hour. Scenario 2. LDV approach with HME in normal operation. Test Vehicle 1 and 3 are in normal operation. Test Vehicle 3 approaches. Test Vehicle 1 at 30 km per hour.